My networking friend. Hello, hello. It's so good to see you today. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Networking Know-How, our weekly live training to help you network more effectively and stress-free like we do in our Down and Dirty Networking online community. Today, I'm sharing the secret to cracking the networking code once and for all. But I'm getting ahead of myself. If this is your first time tuning in, or we have not yet connected, I'm Laura Morlando, the Stress Commando, and I am the founder and CEO of Down and Dirty Networking. Now, if you're watching live or on replay, please say hi in chat so I can acknowledge you and let me know where you're watching from. One of the best parts about what I do is connecting with people from all over the globe. Ooh, I see people watching live. Thanks for watching. Okay, so first things first, before we dive into the training, I want to invite you to drop hashtag sneak peek in a direct message. Hashtag sneak peek in a direct message so that I can send you information about our next virtual sneak peek event happening next week. Can you believe it? It's only 1 week away from today. You are not going to want to miss this. So drop hashtag sneak peek in a direct message to me, and I will send you a personal invitation to this next virtual sneak peek event happening next Wednesday. You do not want to miss this fantastic way to raise your vibrational energy and to jumpstart your career or business to the next level. So drop hashtag sneak peek in a direct message to learn more. All right, so let's dig into today's training. If you're watching live or on replay, let me know in chat. Has networking been a chore or a joy? Has it been stressful or easy? Has it been a waste of time or super productive? Let me know in chat what your networking experience has been up until now. Now, for me, networking was a chore, stressful, and a waste of time. That was until I cracked the networking code. So today, excuse me, I'm going to share the secret to cracking the networking code once and for all. So drum roll, and I think I've got an actual drum roll. Oh, hey, I see more people watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and get the drum roll. Oh, it's that one. Let's see if this is a drum roll. No, not a drum roll, but you get the point. Welcome to my fun little things in my Melon app. All right, so drum roll. What's the secret? The secret is be a down and dirty networker. All right, but you're probably thinking, okay, Laura, that sounds interesting, but what is a down and dirty networker? Well, there are two keys to being a down and dirty networker. So, number one, embrace a relational networking mindset. This means ditch the sales pitch mentality of traditional networking. Remove the desire to transact leads, referrals, or job offers. Instead, focus on relational networking to learn from someone and about someone by having meaningful conversations to build authentic and lasting relationships. You see, when I first started networking, I was that transactional networking person hitting you with a sales pitch at every turn. Yes, I was that person. The sad truth was, I didn't like being salesy. I didn't like how it felt, and it didn't really work. All it did is make me dread networking and repel people, which is not cool. But once I realized there was another way to network, that is when the magic started to happen in my career as a corporate professional and when I transitioned to being an entrepreneur. This relational networking method is something I've developed and taught for over 16 years to thousands of professionals. So trust me, it works. Now, fast forward to 2017. I was diagnosed with two autoimmunes and Lyme. And after 3 years of being homebound and isolated, I was ready to get off the island of alone. So I searched for a 100% relational networking online community. It didn't exist, so I created one. Down and Dirty Networking. Now, I established our core values based on the years of experience and training workshops that I had conducted. Now, this leads me to the second way you can crack the networking code once and for all. Adopt the Down and Dirty Networking 10 core values. Okay, so let's go through all 10 core values. Number one, create wow by giving freely. Instead of trying to transact business and see what you can get, wow, everybody, give freely, give ideas, resources, ideas, support freely. Seek to provide value before ever taking anything from anybody else. So create wow Let's say that again. Create wow by giving freely. You can tell it's the end of the day. What about you? My brain and my mouth are shutting down. How about yours? Okay, let's keep going. Number 2 core value. Embrace providing value. Like I said with the other one, if you're creating wow, provide value. Give. Number 3, be fun and do you. So if your mouth is shutting down like mine is right now, just do you. Do what you need to do. Hey, I see people watching online. Thanks for watching live. Engage with me in chat. And if you're watching on replay, engage with me and let me know. All right. So number 3 is be fun and do you. Remember, you get to craft the experience of relational networking. So just have fun with it. Number 4, be bold, innovative, and open-minded. I have found that when you are thinking outside the box, when you think and get outside of your comfort zone, here's what really is happening. You're stretching your comfort zone. You're kind of throwing away that there is no box. You're trying to solve a problem with other thoughts that you normally wouldn't have. So be innovative. Ask the what if questions. Wouldn't it be nice if it could be done this way? Maybe it can be done this way. Think of ways you can provide value and solve a challenge for someone when you're showing up and giving freely and providing that wow. So be bold, innovative, and open-minded to feedback you might hear, because you might hear something like, I have never thought of that. I promise you, you will hear some of the best ideas from people from the most unlikely sources, from people in industries you never thought would provide value to you. So be open-minded as you engage in relational networking. All right, number 5, harness the community expertise and brain power. This is huge. Instead of asking for buy my stuff, harness the expertise and brain power of those in your network and in the community. This is what we do in Down and Dirty Networking. All right, number 6, build meaningful and authentic relationships. It's about that. That is the relational networking mindset. So that's definitely something you have to be willing to do. Number 7, co-elevate the community. We believe about co-elevate, collaborate, and connect. When you can co-elevate everyone around you, it goes back to that providing value and giving, providing wow, giving freely. You will co-elevate everyone. It's so much more rewarding and so much more beneficial. All right, number 8, talk less, question more. It is so much more powerful to ask more deeply thought after, open-ended questions than just the how are you questions. Really be passionate about going deep and having that meaningful conversation to learn from someone and about someone. That leads me to number 9. Be passionate and enthusiastic. Love having meaningful conversations with everyone. Just be open to it. We already talked about it. You're being open, being bold. Just be passionate about it. Be enthusiastic about learning from someone and about someone. And number 10, create a safe space. When you're talking to someone in the community, we create a very safe community for everybody. But when you're out and about, you can create a safe space by your body language, by the fact that you're asking thoughtful questions. You're not talking so much. You're not pitching. You've ditched the pitch. You are actually engaging and curious about the people you are engaging with. When you do that, you create a safe space. And that is when the magic starts to happen. That's when things become so much more meaningful. All right, so let me know in the comments if you're agreeing with this or if you're not agreeing with this. And if you've experienced this yourself, if you've done any one of these 10 core values, or if you have engaged in relational networking and you've had success with it, share your experience. I think everyone would love to hear from you. So let us know in chat. All right, so those are the 2 ways that you become a down and dirty networker. You embrace being the relational networking mindset, and you adopt the 10 core values of down and dirty networking. Now, when you do this, this is you becoming a down and dirty networker. And you are embracing, just to repeat, you're embracing the relational networking mindset, and you are adopting the down and dirty networking 10 core values. Now, this is how you will finally crack the networking code to have more meaningful conversations and authentic relationships. Now, here's the cool part. Your reputational capital will skyrocket, and you will actually find that networking is a joy, easy, and super productive instead of a chore, stressful, and a waste of time like I found. You will find that by being a down and dirty networker, you will skyrocket your professional career or business. So your action step is to put this into practice with those you interact with in the next week. Now, I have some exciting news. If you want the easiest way to practice being a down and dirty networker, In a done for you community, I invite you to drop hashtag sneak peek in a direct message. Registration is open for the next Down and Dirty Networking virtual sneak peek event happening next Wednesday, April the 19th. This is your one-stop shop for meaningful conversations to co-elevate, collaborate, and connect without all of the fluff of traditional networking. The best part is there is no charge to attend this event. So drop hashtag sneak peek in a direct message to learn more. Okay, networker, I hope this was helpful. If so, let me know in the comments, give us a thumbs up, or tag a friend that could use this tip today. Now, thanks for watching. I see those of you watching live. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tips and videos. As a bonus, I will be going live Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. So plan to tune in. I plan to tune in. I think that's it. My brain is shutting down. All right. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. And I will see you again soon. I will see you online for the videos, and I hope to see you at that virtual sneak peek event on next Wednesday. All right. Until then, happy networking. Bye for now.